I'm at Target right here off Stone Drive, and they've got 2 boxes of Aunt Jemima original complete pancakes left. There's 1 box right here, and there's 1 box right here. Actually, there's more in the back. Look, I'm gonna get a couple of them because they done away with these boxes. This is the original box. This is the box before where it still said Aunt Jemima. This is the last box they produced of Aunt Jemima. They removed her picture and they changed the name to Pearl Milling Company. So it went from Aunt Jemima with her beautiful face to no Aunt Jemima. This was the last box they made, and then they switched it over to Pearl Milling Company. So let's grab a box, shall we? It's $2.69. I think I get 2 boxes because you cannot buy it any longer. So let's reach back here and let's get 1 more. I'm not gonna buy all of them. Let's get 1 more, and that's it. They have 1 here, and they have, let me see, there's 1 there. So they got 2 more, 3 more. They got 1 here, 1 behind it, and the one in the back doesn't have her picture. So this is exactly what has happened. This is the original box. Then they transitioned from this original box over to this box. So it went from her picture on the box to no picture. So that's the last Aunt Jemima Pancake complete box they produced, and then they switched over to Pearl Milling Company. So now we know the rest of the story. No, I'm not Paul Harvey. So that's what's happened. So, and they also changed the Aunt Jemima Pancake syrup to Pearl Milling Company syrup. So, goodbye, Aunt Jemima. I didn't know they'd do you like this, baby. I've been cooking Aunt Jemima pancakes forever. And that's my most popular video on YouTube is Aunt Jemima Buttermilk Complete Pancake. And of course, this one's just original. So, I'm right here at Target. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. No Aunt Jemima. Leave comments, give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel.